Hi, it's Jack and Scott here. Sorry, hold on. Okay, I can feel you being. No, I got it. Or you start.
Hey, it's us again.
Hey.
Coming at you live from South Old New York. Take it away,
This
Scott.
is
what are
our
we doing?
annual Spread the Love initiative. This year, we're kind of framing it as a Spread the Love Spring initiative. We're working with a great organization that serves hundreds of local families that could use some love and support.
We recently started an initiative called Grupo de Madres. It's basically a mother's club for Spanish-speaking mothers and their young children. And it provides support to the mothers, some who are new to our country.
Our mission today, as always, is just to bring smiles, to bring a little bit of light, happiness, a little warmth, hopefully, on this chilly day, and some, obviously, state bags.
And bread.
Yeah, and coffee. That's good. And other stuff. So ride along with us.
Follow us along and
go.
see what's in the back.
Just getting Jack's trash, like I normally do. These are the quality shoes. These
I
are
feel like you keep cleaning up my trash.
maybe 3 more.
Then the other bags will go in the back. I love that hat.
I love it.
Greatest hits.
The old man and the meniscus.
Okay.
Round them up. Here we go, guys. Guys.
Here we go.
Okay.
Don't you want to tell us a little bit about where you're going?
We're gonna meet, I think there's like 8 or so families in Greenport, and most likely won't speak a lot of English. And you know what? I've got a feeling. All right, stop number 1.
A 5-year-old boy, a 3-year-old boy.
So here's Lopez, here's Scot Jacq.
Yeah, this is Myra, and off we go. Hi, look at you. What's up, dude? Hi.
Hola,
How are
hola.
you? Some beautiful flowers for you and for your friend.
Okay, thank you.
And there's a lot of stuff inside. ¿Cómo te llamas?
That's my name. Oh my God. I have a C before the Q, but we're happy spring.
Adios. You just gotta power through that first 10 seconds when they're like, what the hell is going on?
I know.
And then all of a sudden you get that little girl, we like handed her something and she was like, huge smile. These kids?
Oh, yeah.
Aquí. Hey, do you guys want these flores? Does it tickle? A lot of people don't recognize, even in their own communities, that there are people who really need help. And just because you live here doesn't mean that there aren't people who are really struggling. B, right?
Mm-hmm. Little knock, but maybe. Hola! And for you. This is really great that we're picking up the kids because now it will like actually have meaning to them when they see the people that they pack the bags for.
Lisa and Michael run this company, one of the many companies that donated for this.
Like, I really thought about what I would put into it, and I hope that they like it.
Oh, hello.
Hey,
oh my God, chickens.
Hola! Liz,
Yes,
this
of
is para
course.
tu madre. Be careful, it's very heavy.
Heavy. Thank you. Bye, Liz. Enjoy your backpack. Oh, I don't want to leave you either. Bye. Bye. She's still there. But that little girl was
She
so
came down,
adorable.
like,
She was
beaming.
ready. She
Yeah.
was so ready. I didn't want
So
to leave
psyched.
her. She was so sweet.
I just have to say,
Little
Cass
Liz.
is doing a great job. These
Yeah.
families are so connected to them.
Cafe.
Y we have más aquí.
Hola!
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 Es para Es para tú.
It's like those moments that really keep you going.
Disfruta. Adiós. Gracias. Adiós, adiós. Gracias. Wait, I messed up. Here we go. Ready?